Hey YouTubers, I got another little project. I'm working on the shock on my Tenere 700. I'm going to switch out this spring. Now getting the shock off the bike was nothing. 2 bolts, shocks off the bike. I'm going to switch it out at home here with a floor jack. Let me show you what I got. Okay, I got a floor jack. I've got my spring. I got 2 pieces of rod clamped to my floor jack. I got this plate that I just cut out a perfect circle to fit right over there. And I'm going to bolt this down on top of my floor jack. And we'll see how that goes. The center stand coming real handy for this shock change, spring change. I got the on the center stand, and I got a strap holding up the rear tire. Shock's out of there. Made it super easy. But yeah, 2 bolts, shock's out. Okay, I bolted my plate to my jack. Let's see how this goes. Up in there, keep her straight. Okay. Came right out of there. Well, I like the way that worked. That's pretty simple. Old spring out. I'm going to clean this up some. So I'll get back with you. Okay, spring is going back on. New spring. All right. New spring on, just like that. All right, that was a quick to-do on my homemade spring compressor. And I'm gonna put this back on the bike. It's going to help me carry all my load to Alaska. I was overloaded pretty good there I went on a trip last weekend. Overloaded pretty good. So this should help with that. Should make my ride a little nicer on my way to Alaska. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.